Another slate replacement video. We're on top of a church, a beautiful 100-year-old church, and we have a broken slate right here. This one is a little different from the other videos because we're up into the ridge, so replacing this may be a little bit different. We also have one against the wall here that is broken. That one we must remove this slate in order to remove this one. The reason why this slate has broken is because this nail that you see here that is sticking up, the nail was never driven down all the way. So when somebody who probably was cementing this ridge came walking along, stepping on the slate, it snapped right there at the nail. Changing this slate is a little different because I had to remove the nails at the top to loosen the slates above it. And then we put the bar under it to get a little bit of clearance. And then we go along with the normal procedure of finding the nail and then pulling them out. Okay, the normal procedure is like this. Using your slate ripper to get these nails out. These slates at the top are always much more difficult because they're probably embedded in the roofing cement at the top. There it is. That was the reason why it was so difficult to get out. Okay, end video. Now these three slates have been replaced, and I have put sealant roof cement underneath of this one, this one, this one, and this one. You are required to put some underneath of this top row so that it doesn't move around. And there's new sealant at each of the nails that I have put back in. I was able to maintain the ridge without breaking it apart, which is a good thing.